Hi, welcome to Rouzati Rugs. In this video, I'll be focusing on floral rugs. Now, floral rugs come from all different regions in the world. In general, when it comes to traditional rugs, like this traditional Persian Kashan here, you'll find that they have a medallion with an overall floral motif and a floral border going around the edge. Now, the Kashan that I showed before was of a wool pile. This specific 9-2 rug has a silk foundation, silk highlights, and also a wool pile as well. Now, a different type of traditional floral rug that you'll see are these Chinese antique rugs like a Peking and an Art Deco rug seen here. In general, you'll notice that they have also floral motifs with a lot of Asian elements like vines, certain specific Asian flowers, and an overall open design as well. Now, moving away from the traditional rugs are vintage rugs like this one here. Now, this is actually an antique Persian rug. It's gone through a vintage wash. It still has the floral motifs that you'd see in a traditional design. It's just that the colors are a little bit more subdued and muted. And also, transitional rugs like this one here have certain floral motifs and traditional elements. However, as mentioned before, like the vintage rug, the colors are a little bit more fresh and updated. And last but not least are modern rugs, which can incorporate certain floral motifs like this one. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Rouzati Rugs. And don't forget to check out our blog on RouzatiRugs.com, where we share some great information about rugs in general. Thanks for watching.